this is the living room, the sofa, dining table, chairs, and also the TV cabinet. All comes in the house. Aircon, fan, lights, yellow featured wall. This one is the master bedroom. You have the shower on the left. This is a makeup table, queen size bed, aircon, fans, grill, and also built-in wardrobe. Okay, bathroom have water heater and also mirror. Okay, so now this is the second room. Comes with a single bed, aircon, fan, and also fluorescent light. Yeah, the study table, ironing board is not provided. Yeah. This one is the third room. It's a +1 room. You can use as a storeroom. You can put all your barang-barang inside here. Okay, no aircon on this room. Then now this is the common bathroom, mirror, and also a water heater down here. Okay. Yeah. This is the kitchen. It has a cement stove, gas cooker, and also a ventilation fan and a built-in wardrobe cabinets. You can put your fridge down here. Okay. And finally, last thing, this is the yard. You can put your washing machine on the left and hang your clothes on the right. Okay, thank you.